In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect RoboForex to TradingView. Now for this, first you will need a RoboMarkets account, and if you have that, you can then connect it to TradingView. And the way you do it is by going to TradingView.com, and then you want to sign into your account or just create one in case you don't have one yet. Hover over Products and click on Super Charts over here. And then on the next page here, inside their charts, you'll be able to see it's going to say trading panel down here at the bottom. So it's going to look like this, and you want to click on trading panel. Sometimes you may want to basically just drag it up if it doesn't do it automatically. And then in here, you want to go ahead and click on show all brokers. Press Ctrl and F on your keyboard and search for Robo. As you can see, Robo Markets are going to pop up, so you can just click on Robo Markets, and then you can just click on the connect button here, which is going to take you to the website where you can basically connect and log into your account over here using Robo Markets account, and then just type in your email and password, click on the login button, and that way you'll be logged in, and then you'll be able to go ahead and start trading on TradingView using RoboForex or Robo Markets. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.